This is a pretty nice and hardy shrub for those of us in zone 8. This is a type of Abutilon or flowering maple, and I think this might be one of the earlier varieties that was available. This is Abutilon megapotanicum, and the variety is called Marianne. And it's kind of a neat plant. It is actually a broadleaf evergreen, and you can kind of see the leaves here. I have a few Abutilons. This one seems to be the toughest. There's like tiger eyes. I tried that one. It's kind of hit and miss. And I have the variegated one, and that one actually does really well. But this one, it does flower prolifically. But this one is kind of what you would call a scrambler. So it's not quite a vine, and it's not quite a shrub. And I've been cutting this thing back regularly, quite hard, to try and get the trunk, or the main stem, to get bigger. But you can see it's just kind of like a mess of vines here. They can't support themselves, so they use other plants. I'm trying to pull this one out. I don't even know how long they get so long. I don't even know where this one starts. Oh my gosh, watch this. Oh no, it's two. Okay. See how they just flop? And so they need other plants for support to kind of grow up through them. And I think this is about 3 years old, and look how thin it is. And I just keep cutting it back and cutting it back, hoping that eventually it will kind of have enough thickness to the base that it can sort of support itself, because these things get really big. And these branches, I mean, they're 7 or 8 feet long. That's what they've grown this year, and they just keep growing, and they just keep growing until they flop. But they are quite nice. So it's kind of a love-hate thing. There's some more. It's starting to peek up through here. You can kind of see them all up. So they really add a nice pop of color, and of course the hummingbirds like them. And I actually like the flowers. I'm not a big kind of yellow. I don't really like yellow, but just kind of red and yellow. It's almost like a blood red. Quite a nice. So if you can find that, the Abutilon megapotanicum, just remember that they need something for support. I guess you could probably train them up a trellis or something, but they seem to just kind of like growing up through other plants. Thanks for watching.